Have you ever plugged in your phone and wish you could instantly see the charging speed or the battery percentage without unlocking your screen? Like this screenshot, see this is a screenshot of my lock screen when it was charging. It's this is what I will show you. I will show you how to enable charging info on your lock screen today. Okay, so for that, also, this is useful when you just want to glance at your phone and know if it's charging fast, how long until it's full, or even if your like to know if your charger is even working properly. So I'm demonstrating on this Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I will also show you for other Androids and iPhone. Okay, so on this phone, Samsung Galaxy S25 and most Galaxy phones, you have to go here to settings. See this here, settings. You touch settings and you go to sorry, you go scroll down to battery. See battery. So this is battery. And on some phones you will have to select more battery settings, right? But if you don't show, your phone doesn't show more battery settings, you just go to straight to charging settings, this charging settings. Okay, so once enabled, then when you come here, then you have to enable it here, enable it on and off, right? Once enabled, every time you plug in your phone, you will see charging speed, estimated time until to full charge, and battery percentage right on the lock screen without unlocking. If you have other Android phones, Tecno, Infinix, and what have you, some phones already show this automatically once plugged in. Okay, but if not, then you have to go to settings and you look under battery or display and you search for charging information or battery info on lock screen and you toggle it on. If you have an iPhone doesn't have this exact option, but there is a workaround. You plug in your iPhone and tap the screen, you will see a charging animation or percentage briefly. To make it more visible, you have to go to settings and you go to battery and you go to battery percentage and you enable it. For persistent charging info on the lock screen, then you will need the lock screen widgets, like battery battery like widgets. In this is in iOS 16 or later. Okay, right, so that's it for today.